Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we upload videos related to finance. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cancel a bet on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in Betway.com. Once you type it in, it will take you to this website. Now, on this website, click on the login button. Then, enter your login credentials in these boxes. Go ahead and do that. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have done so, click on the login button, and you'll be logged into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, let me explain how you can cancel your bet. First of all, you can't cancel your bet within the app using any features, as that feature is not available yet. But I hope they will add it soon. What you can do is click on the support button, then click on help. Once you get to this page, click on the icon where it says contact us. Then, click on this link where it says how to contact Betway. They will give you instructions on how to contact them. Follow these instructions, then click on the link where it says click here to launch live chat. Once you're on live chat with the Betway support team, you can explain your problem to them that you want to cancel a bet. Don't forget to give your reason, and if they find your reason genuine, they will help you cancel your bet. This is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.